What's up, everybody? What's going on? What's going on? So, show y'all my post. I'm doing my big chop. I call it my Tavon's beard chop. So you see, I got that joint nice and smooth, clear, cleaned out, shaped up. So, like I said, I do this once a year, where I chop it down and then use my beard butter to show the growth process for everybody that's been contemplating and thinking whether they want to use my beard butter. There you go. So I got my beard butter. It's all natural. I'm sure I've been using it for a while, so it got a little dip in it. That's my cinnamon scent, shea butter, jojoba oil. Some people call it jojoba oil. I call it jojoba oil. My essential oil, cinnamon essential oil, is good for growth, help for inflammation of the beard around your skin as well. So skin is pretty clean since using. I get some bumps here and there, but it goes away very quickly with using my beard butter. I also use beeswax in it. So yeah, I'm about to start my vlog. Nice cinnamon scent for that winter. Even though spring is around the corner and summer's coming soon, it's still beard season, fella. We still gotta take care of our beard. So I do my beard butter the same way fellas do with their they're doing that wave. So since my beard's not as long, I don't need as much. So I went from doing 2 fingertips, like that right where that line at, because I had to use it because my beard was a lot bigger. I was doing it once a day. Now I'm gonna start going back to doing it twice a day, and using 1 fingertip of beard butter. So I just get me a nice scoop. See, I got that on the finger. Put it on the palms. You know, rub it in just like you do for your hair. You see that? That's the oils and everything. Rub it in the beard. Put it on my mustache. I get some on the skin as well. Get a little bit more. Again, rub it in. See me massaging it in. So you get that shine, and you can see I post also on my beard page, Tavon's Beard Butter on Instagram, people who bought my beard butter, people who used it, some testimonials. Also, you can go on WeBuyBlack.com, type in Tavon's Beard Butter. You'll see some of the reviews. On Facebook, I got Tavon's Beard Butter page. So yeah, I put it on, and I'm good. You know what I mean? See, something was not as greasy as it was before. All I went in the bed. The good thing I like how I do my beard butter, that the scents that I have, lavender and tea tree oil, tangerine, sandalwood, or cinnamon, the scent doesn't stay out. So it's not like a cologne where it can kind of annoy the ladies, fellas and ladies if you're getting it for your guy. Definitely all natural. I just told you the ingredients that I use, all natural. Tavon's Beard Butter. Like I said, you can get on WeBuyBlack.com, Etsy.com. Follow my Instagram page, Tavon's Beard Butter. And then I'll just get my comb it like I want to, and then go back. I can feel it tingling because I just shaped it up. You know what I mean? With this for the skin and after my cut. Definitely is good for after the cut. You see me putting some around where I shaped it up at. But definitely get it. And like I say, this is day 1, April the 9th. You're going to see in a month how it look. Peace.